Yo, what's going on, guys? We got a servo for the Xmaxx. This is our Amazon special, a JX servo, I believe, 46 kilograms of torque. It's a standard size servo. I have the adapter coming in pretty quick here. Looks like it gives you a few of these parts here, servo horns. They're all plastic, so that's not the greatest. But I'll see if I can attach one of these onto there. I'll probably have to buy a metal one for safety measures. But it looks like it's got all metal casing. I'd say it's aluminum. Feels pretty nice. Looks pretty good too. It looks pretty high quality, high voltage there. Pretty excited about this. So it's better than the blue 35 kilogram servo that you get on Amazon. It's a little bit more. I think I got it for $54 or something like that on Amazon, but I'll put the link down below. But here's our servo. That's about how long the wire is here. Whoops. Looks like it's maybe about 10 inches long, I'd say. That's probably about how long the cord is. So I mean, which is plenty for the Xmaxx since the servo is right underneath that receiver box. So we've got that, and we've also got our oversized motor mount, if you will. Just got this off of eBay. I think it was 56 bucks, free shipping. It was a pretty good deal. It just kind of goes together like this with this on top of there. But it seems pretty high quality. It looks like it was machined fairly well, if you can see that on the camera, but it looks like it was machined very well. So pretty excited about this. I'll put some Loctite on the screws, put this thing together, and then we'll throw it onto the Xmaxx and see how it looks. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so we got that installed in there. It's starting to look pretty nice. I'm trying to balance it on the wheelie bar. Yeah, it went in nice and solid, nice and clean. I did have to use different screws for here to install that. Let me see if I need extras. Here we go. So in the stainless screw kit, there were these. I wasn't totally sure what those were for. So I just thought I could put them in here for now. So I'm not totally sure if those were made for that, but I think as I build in the future, I think I'll figure it out, or as I guess I just look at the exploded view. But overall, it went in nice and snug. Everything fit absolutely perfect. Got a really good deal for this, 57 bucks on eBay, free shipping as well. I think it was same day shipping too, so that was really exciting. So I think it'll do pretty good. I mean, we'll find out once I get the motor. If this doesn't work, then I guess we'll just have to get one of the WFO or B&M Racing, whatchamacallit, motor mounts. But yeah, everything went in smoothly. The screws that they provided were not stainless steel for screwing in here for these holes. So the kit comes with those stainless steel screws, so I just replaced those with those, and then they came with washers for that, so that was really convenient. But other than that, everything is in all nice and snug now. I still got to get my zip ties for here, but I probably will later in this week. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Everything's in nice and good. So all we just need to wait for now is for my adapter for this servo, so I can install the servo in here. So that's pretty exciting. Got the first part of the electronics. But we're going to skip to the next part of this video when we do have that adapter, and probably a few parts as well. But let's go ahead and all right, so we got the next part here. It's the standard servo adapter, part number 7749. I'm going to be installing this along with our new JX servo that we got from Amazon. So let's just get to work on it. Alright, in this next part you can see I attempt to put on the front part of the chassis, but it wasn't able to fit. So as you can see there, I cut off the wall part where the front of the servo was in order to get that to fit, because the servo sticks out a little bit. And you see I attempt to put the chassis, the front part of the chassis back on, but it doesn't fit because you have to chop off the mounting points of the servo. Only the parts that are hanging off that aren't attached to the servo adapter, you have to cut those off in order for that front part of the chassis to fit. So we got a package from Jenny's RC. Francesca's gonna open it because she likes to open all the packages.
It's like on Christmas Day when you're like get to open presents. It's like super exciting.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what these parts are for?
For the Xmaxx.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, I think this is the sensor and drive shaft. Oh, that's cool.
Pretty
They're like
packaging.
it has like the little logo.
That's cool.
Check out Jenny RC. Ooh, it's like gear.
Oh, that looks like the spur gear.
That's the spur gear.
So with this kit,
Where's the slipper clutch though?
it should be in a different bubble wrap.
Like the grease inside.
Mm-hmm.
You want to open
Probably
it?
just, I don't know, if you want to get your hands all greasy.
Here. Central diff?
Mm-hmm. Center diff.
I knew it.
And then we can replace all of those bearings with the fast steady bearings that we got from that one shop in Las Vegas. Mm-hmm.
Shout out to them.
Awesome. Friendly hobbies.
They were really friendly.
Yep. Like actually though, they were.
They're really nice.
Yeah.
This is the PE gear.
Yes.
For differentials.
For the differentials, yeah.
It fits. It does.
I think it's supposed to do that. Just like that. And then that runs to the bottom of the car.
Looks like a wand. You know, like when like the queen has like the little wand thing.
Oh.
It's like off with the heads.
Oh.
That's what it looks like.
Should we install it?
Okay.
Alrighty, so we got our bearings that we're gonna use for all these parts here that we're going to install. They're the fast adding bearings, just using some more of these, just going to replace all of them. Alright, so we got the entire drive system installed in there. Just put in our center biasing system, or I like to call it the center diff because I feel like that's the most common term. We also got our spur gear and other thing in there installed. Then our center drive shaft. We also have our little pinion gears here. They're not so little, but they would just slip out because I don't have the differentials quite yet. Just gotta wait till they're back in stock. I'm trying to decide whether to buy the pro-built ones or buy the differentials from Jenny's RC. That's where I've been getting most of my parts from. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can see the future videos of this build. And see when it's completed. It should be pretty epic, and we'll see how it goes. So see you guys later.